Hi everyone, welcome back to Homehead Chef. I'm Chef Tony, and today we're making panna cotta. What is panna cotta, you ask? It is a beautiful eggless Italian custard that can be prepared in advance, and it's great for parties and occasions. It goes wonderfully with fresh fruit compote on top or chocolate, and today we're going to be making ours with caramel, so let's get cooking. For the panna cotta, we are going to need 1 packet or 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin, 2 tablespoons of cold water, 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of half and half, a 1/3 cup of sugar, and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. To get started, we're going to take a small saucepan and add our water, our gelatin, give this a stir. We're going to go over to the stove on medium-low heat and heat this up until the gelatin is completely dissolved. We'll see you over there. Okay, we're going to give this about a minute tops. No more than a minute to dissolve. We've been on for about 30 seconds and it's starting to fully dissolve. Just like so. Now when this is done, we're going to set it aside and let it cool down. And while that's cooling down, we're going to work on the actual panna cotta mixture. While it's cooling down, let's start on this. In a medium-sized saucepan, we're going to go in with our heavy cream, our half and half, and our sugar. And we're going to want to cook this on a medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the sugar is completely dissolved. Keep stirring because you don't want to overcook or scorch the cream. This is right where we want it. We're going to take some of the cream into our gelatin mixture just to release it up. Give that a good stir. Let's turn the heat off on this. Just like so. And we're going to dump the gelatin into the cream mixture. Make sure we get all of it out. Give that a stir. Add our vanilla. Get that incorporated. Now we're going to head over to the cutting board and put this in its glasses. We'll see you over there. Now we're going to fill up our glasses and our ramekins. I'm going to fill them up about halfway. A little bit more. Now we're going to want to let this sit on the counter for about 30 minutes, and then we're going to go into the refrigerator for 4 hours or overnight. So I will see you guys in 4 hours my time. For you it's going to be a couple seconds, and then we're going to top it off with some caramel sauce and get a bite of it. We'll see you there. Now after that horrible 4-hour wait, this is our panna cotta. It's set beautifully. So let's pan out and get a taste of this. Let's dive in. Look at that. It's so good. It's absolutely amazing. I really hope you try this recipe. I'm going to top mine off with a little bit of my homemade caramel sauce, which I'll be giving you the recipe of that soon. Thanks for stopping in. Go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for stopping in, guys. See you later.